Hello there guys. In this video today we're going to discuss about some very interesting news about the transfer window of Manchester United. Ralph Ranieri has dropped a hint that he's interested in signing, the first summer signing of Manchester United this summer could be he could be Mr. Joshua Kimmich of Bayern Munich. Yes, you have this right, and you know that Ralph Ranieri has a very he has this eye of catching very talented young Bundesliga players, because the German players, it's very easy for him to mold them into his style of playing, because his German style of playing, structured, high defensive, high counter attacking football. So it's Joshua Kimmich from Bayern Munich. So let's dive into the news officially. Ralph Ranieri is now officially the Manchester United's interim manager. His issues of work permit and all the other stuffs have been solved, and his papers have been processed properly, and he will be taking charge of the match against Crystal Palace. As is a tradition, he took questions from the press on Friday morning. One of the answers will catch the attention of you surely if you're a United fan. No? Christian Falk of Bild had claimed that Ranieri has a clause in his contract that would see him earn 10 million if he could convince striker Erling Haaland to join. So this is very interesting. If he was able to convince Erling Haaland to come to United, Ranieri could get paid $10 million extra. So that's something we got to know right now. Ranieri responded in a cheerful manner, rubbishing his claim and saying 10 million for Haaland, 10 million for Mbappe, 10 million for Robert, and 10 million for Joshua Kimmich. This is nonsense, obviously. There is no such a clause in my contract. It doesn't make any sense to speculate something like that. So Ranieri was just bantering with the press. He stated how fantastic a player Haaland was, but he seemingly made a Freudian slip in his initial statement. Kimmich has never been linked to United. Yes. So Joshua Kimmich has never been linked to United. Haaland has been, and other players have been, but Joshua Kimmich hasn't been. Neither in the tabloids, neither in the Daily News, in United Stand, or in Manchester Evenings or the Sun. Nobody has ever linked him to United. But Ralph Ranieri over here has made a statement saying Kimmich, hinting Kimmich. So he is a defensive midfielder, and we know right now that Manchester United really need a defensive midfielder. They really need somebody to defend and play for them. They really need it. So Kimmich played under Ranieri at RB Leipzig. He close to the complete midfielder and has been a vital part of Bayern Munich's Bundesliga. Yes. So he has made 279 appearances for Bayern, scoring 33 goals and 75 assists, showing how he can be attacking as well as defensive, and this is a gold. So this is something Manchester United were lacking for a very long time, a good defensive midfielder. They were lacking this, a CDM. Everybody were crying for a CDM. Get us a CDM. We need a CDM. Where's the CDM? The CDM. The CDM. People were literally crying for a CDM. So here is the CDM. The transfer market value is £81 million, and with a contract that runs until 2025 at one of the best clubs in Europe, it is unlikely that United can price him away from Bayern. However, there is still a chance that Ranieri moves for a midfielder. The Times has reported that Leipzig's Malian midfielder Amadou Hadera is under consideration for a transfer. Amadou Hadera. Ranieri was involved in the transfer to bring him to Bundesliga outfit, and in 2019 he said that we have another absolute top player on our hands. Hadera has a release clause of 33 million and will be an absolute gold target for Ranieri alongside Fred. Hadera can be the defensive and attacking midfielder that United were lacking for a very long time, because United are stacked with attack, but they are not good in their defensive aspects. They don't have a good defensive midfielder. So Amdu Hadira can be an absolute gold in this regard. He can be an absolute life savior alongside of Fred. So how successful do you think he will be in this regard? Do you think he will be able to get these players on board? Or do you think he won't be able to get them on board? That is still a question for consideration. So, and there are other players who are willing to start under him. So Raniak has hinted at many other players, which he thinks, will be of great, great value. For example, he has, talked about Rafael Varane, who's a fantastic player, who's a great defender, and who, when utilized properly, can also be a great asset to any team. And let me tell you that Raniak also has his team of physicians, has his own team of physicians who are very well equipped physicians. They are very well equipped. They can handle injuries, they can tackle players, they can take care of players' small injuries. Sometimes a player has a small injury, which later on in turn, it goes out and it becomes a huge injury, and it becomes a life-threatening injury, or an injury that would ruin someone's career. So Ralph Raniak also, has said that basically, that with a good physician team, it's important that players are kept in shape and they're given a healthy rotation. And when you have an eye on, new players, players who are upcoming talents, in that case, only, as Ralph Raniak has said, only a few players can change a team drastically. A good defender and a good midfielder can change the entire game of the team. They can entirely change it. And as we've seen, that Manchester United had been thrashed by teams like Watford, and teams like Leicester, and teams like Everton. They defeated us in a very bad manner. We lost 5-0 to Liverpool. That was one of the most embarrassing losses till up to date. That was very, very, very embarrassing for us. Very, very embarrassing, and something that was very hard to swallow. So and he also has eyes for, I got his philosophy. He has eyes for players who basically are dropouts. They are very talented, but they are unable to secure a position in their teams, or they're unable to fit in there. But they're fantastic players, and who he can get at a very reasonable price. Young, hungry, passionate players. That is Raniak's target. That is his target players, and that is what he's targeting, and that is what he's trying to go towards. So that's something that's absolutely happening there. And his style of playing is similar to that of Zinedine Zidane. I think it's even better than Zidane right now. I think he's the only coach who we can say is better than Zidane at identifying players and at training players. And I know we all wanted Zidane, but I think he's better than Zidane. So what do you think about his transfer hints? Let me know for the next video. Till then, take care.